Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hey y'all, it's been a while since I did a Bobbi Boss wig on this channel. I can't wait to get into it and tell you what I like and what I don't like about this wig. Stay tuned. Hey, it's time to slay. I have Miss Bobbi Boss's Dixie here. When I first seen this wig, I fell in love with her. She, was given kind of like 2024's version of Jacinta. I love that wig. So I plucked off camera. If you ladies are interested in seeing how I plug, what's my method or whatever, I really don't have one because I'm just trying to like get better at it, and practice makes perfect. So I just didn't want to include it on camera because, girl, it took a little while. It took a lot. So but if y'all like, maybe we could have a plug party one day, and I just come on and just show you the process that I take when it comes to plugging my wig. So I removed the lace. I can't wait to try it on. There I am. I'm on camera. I decided to go ahead on and apply this wig on camera so y'all can see how I did, from from styling it and then actually applying it and wearing it. Now, I must tell y'all before y'all go ahead on and start talking about me in the comments, I did kind of have this wig too far down on my forehead, and that's because it was kind of tight, y'all. Like, it was kind of tight. Hopefully I mentioned that in the video, but she's kind of tight. And I noticed that a lot of Bobbi Boss wigs are medium. They're not for the big bobblehead girlies like me that got a 23-inch head. But yeah, so I kind of slid it up higher, so just in case it slid back, it wouldn't pop too far back. So that's one of those things that I kind of like, during the editing of this video, I wish I could have went in and like slid my wig back just a little bit, but she's still cute. It still was given what it needed to give. Now, it didn't give me ear to ear action, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna mention that. But I applied glue to the lace's edge as well, along the lace that I left, because I left a thin lining of lace in order to give that seamless look once I apply my foundation to it. So I kind of put a little bit too much Got2b spray. Even though it still was popping up, it was dripping down my forehead or whatever. So I'm tying it up with my mutilated bandana strip, and even though I don't have the whole time I waited, it probably took maybe about 12 minutes for it to be completely done and dry. So I just took that time while it was tied up to go ahead on and comb her. This is the first time I'm brushing her from styling it. So I definitely didn't want to like touch it because I wanted y'all to see the curls. So now the time is up, and like I said, it took about 12 minutes for it to really set and dry. And so I'm just peeling it off. It still was a little shiny, and that could be because I did like go kind of ham with the Got2b spray just to get it to blend. But I think it looks gorgeous, y'all. Like, I love it. I love this color. I can't wait to get into my first impression for this wig. Hey JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm back to show you ladies, you already know, another cute wig. Okay, so what's her name? Y'all probably already know because I probably already showed you. But her name is Dixie, girl. Okay, alright, Dixie. Kind of dated. It's giving real Winn-Dixie. Y'all probably don't have Winn-Dixies by y'all, but if you from the South, if you're from the greater New Orleans area, then you know about Winn-Dixie. So anywho, so what color do I have this beautiful wig in? I have it in a TT2/caramel. Okay, now this is the competitor that Bobbi Boss has to Bare Lace. Okay, so yeah, so she is part of Bobbi Boss's Crystal Lace series of wigs. Okay, so she has crystal clear HD lace. She is a 13x7. She comes with an elastic band. She's supposed to be glueless, and she also is supposed to have a pre-plucked hairline. Okay, and she also comes in these very cute colors featured on the back. Girl, I really like that pink one. I might try that if it comes back into stock. So, all right, enough about the details from Miss Dixie. I am going to tell you ladies what's my first impressions of this wig. She's gorgeous. Like, the color's gorgeous. The texture of the hair is like really smooth. It's more like a typical Bobbi Boss, no yucky texture whatsoever hair. It's not as like silky to like where it's like baby doll hair, but it's definitely that like really silky smooth texture of hair. The curls are really pretty. Of course, I've been playing in it, so I kind of combed the curls out from how they initially looked on the stock card right here. On the stock card, they look really loose. Well, not really loose, but they look more like they fell a lot more than what she looks in person or whatever. So yeah, I decided to do it in a straight part. This is not how it comes out the box. I definitely plucked, but let's go ahead on and get into her 360 right here. All right, ladies, we are back from Dixie's 360. Let's get into a few more details about this lovely wig. I know y'all just seen me comb my fingers through it and got a little snag. We're gonna get to that. So she does shed. I have gotten a lot of shedding from this wig. Now, I did pluck her. I didn't really show that in the tutorial. But this is the shedding that I'm getting. Is she shedding because of the pluck job that I did on her? Possibly, but I feel like she was kind of shedding before then. And plus, I understand it's shedding in the front, but this wig is shedding all over y'all. So I'm not really gonna necessarily blame it too much on the plucking that I did, but this is what I'm getting already. So that is not good for a first impression, right? I am running into some kinks. Now, it, like I told you, it's that real smooth, I'm not gonna say baby doll textured hair, but it's really silky. And so sometimes when it's like that and it's rubbing against your clothes, like, you really gonna get like a lot of tangling or whatever. But there's really not too many more details I could provide you ladies with that's on the stock card, but just my first impression of this wig. It is a really gorgeous wig. The color is pretty, but I am getting tangling and I'm getting like a noticeable amount of shedding already. Okay, so show y'all that one more time. All right, ladies, so we're trying to keep it nice, quaint, and quick. Let's get to the close-up for Miss Dixie right here. Okay, ladies, now that we're back for this close-up for Miss Dixie, it's cute, but this isn't what it was given straight out the box, okay? So please don't expect that when y'all buy her. Although this color is really beautiful and the texture is really soft and nice, she not giving this right out the box, okay? So I had to pluck my behind off in order to achieve this look. And I, like, now that I'm in your face, I probably could have plucked some more. Like, I probably should have plucked some more. If y'all hear snoring, that is my baby Golden. She just has to be by me, so she gonna need to chill, get some Z's. So anyway, if you notice a little curl run, that's because I am just popping these wigs on. This is the second install of tonight because I am trying to get these videos out to you ladies, okay? So yeah, so let me show y'all the headline. Like I said, I plucked the part. I probably could have plucked some more. I also plucked the lace front as well, and I have a 23-inch head. This wig says that it is ear to ear, it is not. On my 23-inch head, it stops about right here on this side, and right here on the side. These are my natural sideburns that are out. Okay, so she is not ear to ear. And I remember Bobbi Boss kind of like doing that a lot, so they still on that BS. So yeah, she is not giving ear to ear. She is a little tight. If y'all see me like readjusting this wig over and over, that's because I really had to do that. It wasn't giving me the leeway that I needed to really position this wig on my hairline, and when I did, it still didn't come ear to ear. So yeah, as far as the lace blending and being this crystal HD lace, it's really not giving what I expected it to give. I thought it was gonna like give bare lace a run for their money, but I'm not really getting it, especially after having to pluck some more to achieve just this. And I probably could have plucked even more. So I'm gonna give y'all ear to ear, or what I could give y'all a ear to ear, because it didn't make it that far. But I'm gonna go from this side to that side. Yeah, and you can see it stops like right there. So I was gonna come and do baby hair and stuff, but I'm really trying to like show you ladies that I can achieve looks without baby hair or whatever. Even though that is just, I love baby hair. Baby hair to me is a form of Black girl self-expression. But I wanted to do this wig and wigs similar to this without baby hair, just so y'all can see that your girl can slay and not have to have baby hair in order to slay. The close-up is now over. Let me get out your face. So what do I rate Miss Dixie? I have to give Miss Dixie a 7.5. Yay, 7.5 is still good. The reason why I didn't give it a higher rating is because if it's shedding already, if she's tangling already, and if you have to really like plug and pluck and pluck and pluck like I had to do to this unit to achieve what it is advertised to already come with, and that's, you know, being pre-plucked or whatever and being glueless, which it is not in my opinion. Even though there's a band included and it's tight, girl, it's a lot of work for the actual work of the wig. So that's why I'm rating it a 7.5, because I can only imagine that the rating is gonna go down, but I don't want to really down this wig because she still is cute. The color is amazing on me. Like, you know, it's giving the, you know, the curl is really pretty, but I just feel like it took a lot to really like customize this wig when it was supposed to already like come like that out the box. I think that's it, ladies. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and wig review for Miss Dixie. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.